welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and today I have a super amazing entree that'll be perfect for your Halloween party. So let's get this started with some couscous stuffed peppers. Let's dive in. Let's start off by mincing up a shallot and zesting a whole lemon. Then cut off all the florets of a head of broccoli. Take out a medium pot, set it to medium-high, and add in some vegan butter. Once that melts, add in your shallots and lemon zest and let those flavors enjoy each other's company on the heat until the shallot becomes translucent. Now add in some uncooked Pearl Couscous and let it simmer for about a minute. I love this stuff because it gives our dish an amazingly cool look and texture. Pour in some water and let that come to a boil. Once it does, turn the heat down to low and simmer covered for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, take out a pan, set it on high, and add in some water. Once it begins to boil, add in the broccoli and cover with a lid. Steam the broccoli for 5 minutes before taking out a food processor and dumping it in. Also into the processor go some fresh basil, vegan butter, and almond milk. Give that a blend on high and scrape down the sides to make sure we get this as uniform as possible. Now that our puree is all creamy, add it to the couscous and mix it all together. Our filling is all done at this point and it looks like the contents of a bubbling witch's cauldron. Perfect. On to my favorite part, we have some orange peppers to carve up. Cut out the top of the pepper and try your best to take out any leftover seeds and membrane from the inside. Time to show off those art skills by carving up whatever you can imagine. I'm gonna stick with a happy, sad, and angry face. The more expressive the faces, the more that filling is gonna make it pop. Carefully spoon the couscous into the peppers and place the peppers in a pan. Toss into a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Now that our peppers are nice and soft, let's plate this dish. This one with the smiley face was my favorite. The couscous gives this dish an amazing texture, and our lemon, basil, and broccoli come together perfectly, all encased in this sweet orange pepper. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite party foods in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Excuse me, little one. What do you think you're doing?